We're right now at 25 Celsius, which is about 77 Fahrenheit. So it's a very nice weather right now. We are about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's the hottest time of in the day. It's as hot as it's gonna get. We probably in the morning was really much colder here in Sonora, which we have like the Phoenix, Arizona weather. It's very cold in the morning. Maybe the thermometer, it says a certain temperature, but it's not the climate sensation. It's way colder because of the cold air, and there's a lot of moisture in the air, etc. So this is my Indian Scout 16. It's 2016. It has 32,000 kilometers. So I have on it an arlen ness air cleaner, or cold air intake. Also have an electronic jet kit, Gen 3, which is suitable for this model. It's a very good device. Also has the vance and hines grenades, full exhaust system. So the bike has been sitting in my garage for about a week. So it's really, I haven't started it in a long time. Let's see. Here's where you put the key. Turn it. You can know this bike is the 60 because it has a plastic key. The other one is iron, I think, or maybe it is like stainless steel. Also, the way the Indian logo in the fuel tank is different. This one is like the original name, or it's like more cursive letters, and the other one is like mold letters. It says Indian in a very easy way to understand. Another extra that I have is like my biking bags, like the middle size. This one is custom made. It was made right here for about like $200. Also has my Go Cruise. This is very, very nice. I got this thing right here wrapped up so it won't be messing around. Also has the 1901 and this light. It's not an expensive one. It's like, I don't know if it is Chinese or what, but it's not the expensive one, and it looks great. It was very cheap and it works fine. Have a great light on it. Right now it's ready. It says 19, so the bike is colder than the car. The car, it says 25, like 77, and this one says 19. Let's put the starter and push the button. I'm gonna get closer to the mufflers. Actually, my clutch wire broke and I was in a road trip, so I go to AutoZone clutch cable, and I just put it there, and it has been there since maybe it has like 10,000 kilometers. I don't know, it's like I don't know, like 7,500 miles on it. Also, I just made the second oil change to it. Here where I live, it's difficult to find the oil and all the things that you need. So I got the Cooper pushers on AutoZone, and the oil I could manage to get 3/4 of original one Indian 15W60 on the Polaris dealer here in my city, but they didn't have the fourth one, so I bought this 15W50 bubbling motorcycle oil, full synthetic. So I just had it, and I'm going to be tapping it out every time that it goes down. The oil filter is pretty generic. You can get it on any Polaris dealer. Wasn't hard to find. I also have the quiet baffles. You can see in another one of my videos. Pretty sick. My neighbors are gonna be like, rev it up, rev it more, fucker. Nice. I have my flashers, you know. I got rid of this thing right here that was pretty ugly. It was pretty ugly, and so I just I don't know, took it up. I didn't like it. Although my blinkers are right here. Another thing that the Scout full size has and this does not have is the protector from the belt. This one is plastic, and the other one is steel. You can get it like stainless steel or chrome or any other harder material, and this one is plastic. Also, the other one is the engine is a little bit bigger because it's 200cc bigger, and of course 9. No, the other one is 80 cubic inch engine, and this one is 69. So the difference is there. It's barely noticeable, but it's there. And the other bike has this like I don't know, like washout steel. Has like another kind of thing that I like better, all black out. I might plastic dip the bike all black just to see the full black. Right now the bike is pretty you know, filthy because it was sitting there. It was not like in the open sky, but it gets pretty you know, like dusty and everything. So let me know what you think about this bike. You're experiencing. For me, it's a pretty good bike. Haven't had a single major issue with it. I mostly use it for a daily driver. I make like a 3-mile trip every day from here to one of my jobs and another one back. So it's pretty much the use that I give it. Every Friday in the night, I just go around the city with some friends, with my MC, which is Finland, by the way, as you can see right here. Finland, Hermosillo chapter. I have heard a lot of complaints about this one. got this two-seater Corbin seat, but for me, I like this one better. Also, sometimes I modify the bike and make it like a bobber. I have a special custom-made plate that holds the seat to this thing, to the frame, so you can use it like a bobber. You can also follow me on Instagram as the real X-Racer. The real X-Racer, something, I don't remember what's the name of my account, but you can see right there the bike without the fenders and the way that I modified it. I have a quiet baffle right here, so if you want to see it, this is my little world. And this one right here, it's a quiet baffle. You just attach it to the bottom of the muffler. You have to disassemble the whole thing and just put it in. It will give you a quieter ride, but you know, in your heart you will miss the boom boom boom. Let's make this. I'm gonna walk away from the bike. Maybe we can hear it at the distance, so we can see how loud this thing is. Right now we are 10 meters away from the bike, and I can still hear it pretty well. This is like 20 meters, I don't know, like 25 yards away, and I can hear it pretty good. If I rev it up, it will make a mess.